Left-handed hitter, he has grounded out twice and struck out. Zambrano's pitch, taken high, 1-0. Flashbulbs popping all over Miller Park. Ramirez even with the bag at third. The 1-0. High for a ball, 2-0.
We know who's going to be Chevrolet player of the game.
I got a hunch. Poste well off the line and right.
Goosebumps all over me.
The 2-0. Taken for a strike. Houston without a hit, 2 down, bottom of the ninth. Cubs lead by 5. The 2-1 from Zambrano. Foul away.
Oh, nothing.
2-2. Zambrano 1 strike away. Two balls, 2 strikes. Here's the windup. The 2-2 bounces in there. It's 3-2.
What are we? 3-2. Oh, my God.
Houston without a hit, 2 down, bottom of the ninth. Nobody on, 3-2 on Darren Erstad. The 3-2 from Zambrano. Swing and a miss. Hitter. Hitter. Carlos Zambrano with a no-hitter. The pitch was low and outside. Erstad swung and missed. A mob scene on the mound.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Patrick. How great is this, huh? How great is this?
All of the Cubs jumping around, right in back of the mound. About 40 guys in uniform with coaches, bullpen guys, everyone out hugging Carlos Zambrano.
Run! Oh, my God.
The Cubs lead by 7.5 games. As Carlos Zambrano pitches the first no-hitter by a Cub since Milt Pappas in September of 1972. 36 years ago this month.